Start by removing the outer leaves from the Brussels sprouts. Cut off the bottom part. And then cut vertically. Briefly rinse the Brussels sprouts. If you prefer them softer, you can also soak them for about 30 minutes. I prefer to just rinse mine and air fry them. I find they get crispier this way. You then want to pat dry them to remove any excess moisture. Preheat your air fryer at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Next, you want to season the Brussels sprouts. I'm going to add in cooking oil. You want to use some neutral cooking oil, salt, we're going to season it with some pepper to taste, and half of the balsamic vinegar. You then want to mix this to combine. Transfer the Brussels sprouts to your air fryer basket, taking care not to overcrowd them so they cook evenly. Air fry for 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how crispy you like your sprouts. Halfway through cooking, we are going to add the honey and balsamic glaze. Shake the pan halfway through cooking to enable the sprouts brown evenly. Once done, you want to add some honey, transfer to a plate and serve.